16 damage. Are you flipping joking me? Welcome to the first video that I'm recording in 2025. I hope you all had a very good new year, and let's get started. I'm just going to play some Reload. See you in there. Let's go. I'm getting attacked. Help.
The thing is, we could do. Yeah, I'm not going to.
I'm playing Kimberland and Laser Lap.
Laser Lap.
Shut up! Genuinely, shut up.
Yeah, genuinely, shut up. I got a whip! I got a whip!
Shut up. Okay. Everything shall be nice.
I'm just going.
We got that glider that you get from whatever the game's called. Marvel
Rivals.
Rivals.
I'm landing somewhere.
Marvel Rivals. What? Oh, of course I got a charge. I mean, it's alright, blood. First, something else. Okay, SMG, not great. Okay, I've got 2 launch pads though. Oh, hi. I'm just going to keep my distance and hunting rifle him. So I don't have an AR. 16 damage. Are you flipping joking me?
Oh, there. Oh.
That's a scam.
What?
16 damage.
But that person must have thought I was bad.
I know you are. Where did all that loot go? Oh, there. Okay. They even have a shot. There's another player up there. What?
So I got a better charge.
How is that not hitting? What? What? That's a spam. How am I just hitting none of these shots? That's a bit embarrassing.
Yeah.
20! Oh my god, no, that was the most painful fight I've ever gone through.
Yeah. I guess you took lots of damage.
I didn't even take lots of damage, just that.
Just that.
Of course there's a renegade radar. Jesus Christ.
OG.
No, because he doesn't play like an OG. He's trying to double pump. Which is a bit sad. He's trying to double pump. It looks like anyway. 88. Oh god, he's still a shield. Flip. Oh my god, I'm Sigma. No, there's another one. Flip. I'm not Sigma. Help. He's shooting at the completely different building that I'm in. Damn. What was that kid doing? Can somebody please help him? I think he was in another world. He genuinely wasn't in the Fortnite world or just on Earth. He was somewhere else.
Wow. You genuinely wasn't in Fortnite world.
I mean, no, because nobody's in the Fortnite world, but you know what I mean. I mean, I have max wood, but I'm still farming up wood because that's just what I do for some reason.
No.
Please be a shotgun. Nah, I have a KR. I'm not taking a hazard here.
I'll take this hunting rifle.
I'm still keeping with the pump because... Oh, shadow tracker, I'll take that. Mobility.
All I need is a victim.
I'm genuinely actually going to take the shadow tracker over the AR in this case. Because I need mobility, but I also want something that marks my opponents. Oh,
Nice.
big pot. Better shotgun as well. Oh, and an SMG. I'm still going to take this shadow tracker though. Simply because I want to.
What?
What the flip?
Someone's lasering me.
Did I kill both of them? I think I just killed both of them actually. Yeah, I killed both of them. Damn, I'm crazy. Mammoth pistol. I love the mammoth pistol.
Yeah.
I genuinely do. What the hell is that kid playing like? No, what?
I'm going into a hiding spot because I'm just.
What? 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 There's a wall there. There's literally a ramp there. How are you shooting me through it? What? The flip.
What the hell? How's that person shooting me?
I'll take the tack. I'm gonna go kill that kid. I wanna go kill that
I
kid.
don't care about my social life.
I don't actually care, I'm killing them. Oh, there's another one sneaking up behind me. Or is it just that glitch where it shows footsteps for no apparent reason?
The only question
27? Can I get my revenge on this kid? No, I have no marks flip. No!
No.
No, but he's... Ugh. I hate him.
He's
I hate
Shrek.
My shadow tracker's still there again! But I can actually get my revenge and get my shadow tracker. What else did he leave? Did he leave my pump? He left the pump, yay. Thank you.
No, I
you,
just said
Randall.
thank you because this gave me heals.
Now, where did he actually go? Are we helping if I have mats? I don't know how I lost that fight there. I don't know how he shot me through a wall. No, I don't know how he shot me through the wall. Is he the player here? Is it him? No, it's somebody completely different. Did I hit them just then? I think I shot their toes and I killed them. Nice. They had a Maven, so I'll take that Maven. And I'll take that AR. Okay. They had a mammoth pistol as well. Nice. To be honest, they probably killed the person that killed me, to be honest. They have like...
What is this kiddo? Who underestimated me?
So there's a player down there. Imagine it was the kid who killed me originally. Sado. Fraud, he's throwing down shockwave grenades. I don't know why he'd be a fraud for that, but I'm calling him a fraud. Oh, hi. No, I missed somehow. And I blanked him, great. What? What is wrong with my aim this game? What the flip? Oh, there you are. No! Ah.
I haven't used any of my V-boots.
Oh my god! This is crazy. I'm on 13 HP. How did I nearly lose that? I need heals.
Is it that Chaos Agent? Oh yeah, it is. It's the Chaos Agent who I killed twice.
Please have heals over here.
And I haven't killed him twice.
No, there are no heals.
I know, I just wiped a player all by by
Is that
myself.
a minigun? Oh god, there's somebody with a minigun here. I bet he's a sprayer. If somebody has a minigun, of course they spray. Although my loadout's decently alright. Why am I doing this? Oh, it's 2 tick as well. Why did I do that? I'm on 5
Why?
HP now. Is there anything that can heal me? No, storm's
Oh,
coming.
I cracked him.
I'm about to die to storm.
I've got 7 kills.
Bandages. Let's freaking go. No, storm's coming. No. I killed them, but only just. No! Why didn't I box up and heal? I'm such an idiot. Oh, for frick's sake. Ah.
Is that 100?
I deserved that though. Oh my god, that was terrible from me.
V-boots disabled.
Bro, what the hell did I just...
Ah,
Why did I run into storm when I was that low though?
I'm in
What
top
was
7 and I've got 8 kills.
What was I even doing? What was I thinking? You just answered some... I don't care.
What did it say you just what?
I earned some reward points for something.
Oh, I'm level 51.
And to be honest, I don't really care.
I'm level 56. There are 5 people.
Oh. We go to over here. It used to be my landing spot. If I get there first, then I'm winning. Couple fights hopefully. I don't think I am actually. No, somebody landed already. Wait for them. Bro, what the hell? Take that, grab your away. Please. Please. I'm 4 HP.
Edward, there's a top 2 situation.
Come on, win. No! That's a potato! Happy potato! Ugh. Jalapeno.
And I've got a crown, Edward.
Get a crown win then.
If I can't.
Mm-hmm. How did that guy have literally the best aim in the world though? He could shoot me from 500 meters away. To be honest, I wish I could do that.
He's really low.
Now, a hint if you're camping.
Good hint.
Oh no, like a good thing. If you go here, if somebody's on performance mode, they can, like, these bushes just don't
Yes!
spawn for some reason.
I just got crown win.
Nice. They don't spawn. They don't spawn for some reason. So so you'll literally just be in the middle of a field.
I know, but I did have to check with you.
What the hell? What? I did not expect them to land there. I was like, alright, there's a kid here, and then he just like landed in front of me, and I was like, why are you landing in front of me? Because I thought he was going to land over here to get the loot and then come over to me, but like, apparently not. So I just pumped him to the face.
Lovely jump.
Are you I just used my gold, which I have literally none of, and there's literally a big pot in here. Oh my god. I hate this.
Can you show me how much gold you have?
282.
Oh, I've got like 1,000.
Oh, hi! Why am I just... It's happened twice now. I'm just one-bumping everyone that lands here. How did they hit me for the exact same damage as that last hit did? Oh, I don't know. Why did I build a... Oh, man. I'm literally going insane.
This is my prime season.
I'm building stuff for no exactly. Oh, there's another player here.
Does it?
Can I one-pump them? 22, but I can't build up here for some reason. Oh, they didn't build a wall there. What was I doing?
You just had your pickaxe.
I had my pickaxe out. What the flip? Wasim killed me. I have no clue what's happening today. I have no clue. Of course I get a pistol. Out of everything possible, I get a pistol.
What skin did you have?
Why did I have my pickaxe out when I was trying to kill it? Like, is there a reason this game hates me? I literally didn't even press pickaxe. I just pulled my pickaxe out. Oh, I'm just okay. Shotgun would also be helpful, you know. Nah, that's actually crazy though. I mean, a better shotgun would be better. Oh, okay. No, please, no. Play.
Where did she
I'm
have
going to
purple
die.
skin?
I'm definitely gonna die right here. What? The hell? There's a player there. Now normally I'd probably third party that, but today, fudge! How did that not? Did that not even shoot? I blanked him. Are you joking me? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Oh no! Where? Literally nobody died that whole game. What?
So you came first. Second.
I don't even know anymore.
I came first.
I don't even know anymore. I am terrible today, so bye.